Welcome to another edition of Hand-Laid Tracks and 3D Printed Trains with Sorta. Today we're re-looking at Amsterdam #1 Gondola. I made this a long time ago. Went back and looked at it a little while ago. I made it a bit better with thinner walls and the couplers are pushed in deeper now. But then I looked at the photo again and I was like, hey wait, it has a little logo on it. I like logos. So I added the logo, a little warning signals on the side, and did it in the three sizes that it already was in, 40, 50, and I think 60 or 67, I'm not sure. And all two color prints. Same free one. This is the free design I have, so if you want it, it's still free. In multicolor prints. Has two coil loads for each size. So there's 6 coil loads and 3 sizes. And if you already got it, it'll show up in an email. You can get it again, it's for free on Colt, so get yourself a Gondola. I saw it in Amsterdam at the West Haven. It's a 1-door size. I kind of like it a lot. Thanks for watching. Check it out next time on Colts. I got a free car on Colts. Free car, made it on Colts. Printed it up. Now I got a string. I got a string of free. Or cars. 2 loads each. Or cars.